Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Glad to see you here. Today I want to share with you my own thoughts about stock investment, about the investing in the stock market, how I'm doing it, why I'm doing it. And if you're interested in this issue, join, let's have some fun. I will show you all the secrets and I will show you everything that I know, and with the purpose to give this knowledge to you, so you can try to do it yourself, because it's very cool and great way to make money online. Even if you have small amounts of money, even if you don't have money at all, this tool can bring you extra income, this tool can bring you profit, this tool can give you one more way to gain money and to gain incomes and profit, and just I want to share with you. And I'm so excited, guys, because a lot of people thinking about investing as something complicated and absolutely difficult and wrong, but it is not. It's absolutely simple and it's absolutely interesting. Let me show you something. I bought a Facebook. Yes, it's correct. I bought a Facebook. A small part of a Facebook just for $1,000, but I bought a Facebook. And right now it brought me 35% of growth. And this is incredible, isn't it? Just yesterday I bought a Facebook and it gave me right now 36%, and I can close this position right now and to get $360. But I don't want to do that. I will wait a little bit, because company is still growing, company is going on, company is big, well known, and for sure will be on the market. So if you want to invest in some company, you can start from $10, literally. To start investing, just go to the description panel of this video, find the links that I left specially for you, go to the platform, pass the registration, do your first investment. Just make it real, make it happen, because this is very interesting. Let me show you my portfolio. Right now I have like some companies: Netflix, Facebook, Amazon, Coca-Cola, Google, Tesla. I am the owner of all these companies. Small owner, but the owner. And there's a lot of companies that you can invest in. Just look at that list. 185 companies available to like jump in. Let's see what's happening. Nvidia. Company is growing. There was bottom right here, there was a bottom right here, and the company will get the highest levels like in couple days. Let's buy some stocks. I'm pressing the buy button because I know that the price will go up, the price will grow, and that's why I'm pressing the buy button. If I would see that the company is falling down, so I would press the sell button for some amount of money. And okay, I bought these stocks and I'm leaving it alone. Okay, I will go to the platform tomorrow or in a week, so you don't need to stay in front of your laptop like 24/7 to know what's happening with the company. Oh my god, what's happening? Am I making money or I'm losing money? No, just stay calm, just make your first investment. And as you can see, I bought it right here. Right now it's falling. Okay, it will fall, but it will grow again. And there's interesting widget right here in the left side. This widget shows all the traders on the platform. They're making their decisions, okay, and 73% of people, 73% of people who are on the platform right now buying the stocks of Nvidia. And I bought some. You see, this is my level right now. Is I have like minus, but it will grow. It will grow for sure, but because the trend is upgoing for this company. The trend is upgoing. There's a small fee, of course, where the company, the platform is taking a fee, but like years ago, it was completely different. You couldn't just buy a company part in just couple clicks. Right now, it's available. It's 21st century, and this is absolutely great. Okay, Nvidia, stay here, and let's find some other company that you're interested in. There's a lot of them. Everybody knows this company, yeah? And look what's happening, 52 and 48. So I think that this company will grow because watch at this. Watch at this. Yeah, you see the line? Let's buy some. You just saw how I bought couple companies. For example, Netflix. If you see, I bought Netflix right here, and right now in less than a half a day, this company brought me 2% of profit right now. And I will close this deal when the price will be much more higher. And I will get my profit. I will buy or sell stocks of other companies that is right here on the list. Twitter. Let's see what's happening with the Twitter. Company is growing. You see right here, and right now is upgoing trend. Let's buy some Twitter. You're using Twitter, isn't it? So you need to invest in the companies that you know, and you need to invest in the companies that you convenient in. Okay, so everybody knows Twitter, Facebook, Amazon, Tesla, and you know that these companies will not disappear tomorrow, and you can stay calm about that. Nike, for example. Yeah, everybody knows this company. Just everybody knows. Let's buy some Nike. I love sports companies. And that's it. You press a couple buttons. I'm using like not small amounts of money, but you can start with the $10. Everybody has a $10, and you spend much more money on coffee every day. So don't drink coffee, make your first investment, buy some stocks of the company that you know, of the company that you want to be a part of. And in that case, in a week, you'll see that you got your profit. And with such small steps, you can make a big money. That's what I wanted to tell you. And of course, my advice, I'm always saying it, do not invest more money than you can afford to lose, okay? Because this is important, and I want you to make money, not to lose them. Thanks for watching this video. I appreciate that you watched this video till the end. Wish you great profits. All the useful links, want to remind you that all the useful links are under this video. Wish you good luck and big profits. Stay safe. See you in the next videos. Bye.